today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an audio file from Google Drive, ensuring you have quick and easy access to your files whenever you need them. Google Drive is a powerful tool for storing and sharing files. But first, we need to know how to make use of its features. So let's dive into the simple steps to download an audio file. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're already signed in, you'll be directed to your Drive homepage. If not, just log in using your Google account credentials. Google Drive's interface is user-friendly, but logging in ensures all your files are accessible in one organized place. Once you're on your Drive homepage, take a look through your stored files and locate the audio file you wish to download. Maybe it's a song, a podcast episode, or an audio clip you've recorded. No matter the content, locating it is the key first step. A helpful tip here: if you have numerous files in your Drive, make use of the search bar at the top. Simply type the name of the file if you remember it or related keywords, and Google Drive will do the rest to locate your file. Once you've spotted your audio file, look immediately to its right. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is essentially a More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This menu provides a range of actions you can perform on your selected file. From sharing, moving, to checking file details, it's a helpful place to become familiar with in Google Drive. Among the options that appear after clicking the dots, you'll see the option labeled Download. Simplifying things greatly, this download option is what we are looking for. Click on it and voila! Your file will start downloading to your device. Depending on your computer settings, it may download immediately to a preset folder, usually labeled Downloads. Or you might be prompted to select a location if you've configured your system that way. And that's all there is to it. You're done. Taking the time to ensure your files are within arm's reach makes managing your digital content so much smoother. Downloading your audio file from Google Drive ensures that you have offline access whenever you need it, and you can also transfer it to other devices if necessary. Remember, Google Drive is not only a storage tool, but also a convenience to organize, access, and share your digital assets effectively. This method can be applied to any file type, but today we've taken the first step with audio. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newfound audio accessibility.